This is Beginner's English, lesson number 1. With today's video, we are going to start a weekly Beginner's English speaking lesson on the channel Sumita Roy's English Classroom. Because many of you have asked me that you can understand English but you cannot speak. Many of you have said you speak well, but you make many mistakes. Many have said you cannot identify your mistakes. So I have prepared simple beginner's lessons. The lessons will be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. Once a week you will find the lessons. Please listen carefully. Please read every word which is there on the slide. Practice by speaking those sentences aloud and then repeat similar sentences to yourself and to others. This will help you to improve your English. Please repeat after me. My name is Samir. My name is Samir. Another way to introduce yourself. I am Samir. Please repeat. I am Samir. One more way to introduce yourself. Samir is my name. Repeat. Samir is my name. Let us do the same structure with all pronouns. Your name is Tara. Repeat. Your name is Tara. You are Tara. Repeat. You are Tara. Tara is your name. Repeat. Tara is your name. His name is Atul. Repeat. His name is Atul. He is Atul. Repeat. He is Atul. Atul is his name. Repeat. Atul is his name. Her name is Devi. Repeat. Her name is Devi. She is Devi. Repeat. She is Devi. Devi is her name. Devi is her name. Our names are Samir and Tara. Repeat. Our names are Samir and Tara. We are Samir and Tara. We are Samir and Tara. Samir and Tara are our names. Repeat. Samir and Tara are our names. Their names are Atul and Devi. Repeat. Their names are Atul and Devi. They are Atul and Devi. They are Atul and Devi. Atul and Devi are their names. Atul and Devi are their names. Now practice these structures with different names. All the names of people around you. Now we have some new patterns. I live in a small village. Notice the pronunciation. Notice how I'm reading it. Repeat. I live in a small village. I do not live in a city. Repeat. I do not live in a city. You live in a big city. Repeat. You live in a big city. You don't live in a village. Look at the word don't. Please repeat. You don't live in a village. We live in a small village. Repeat. We live in a small village. We do not live in a city. Repeat. We do not live in a city. He lives in a big city. Repeat. He lives in a big city. He doesn't live in a village. He doesn't live in a village. She lives in a village. Repeat. She lives in a village. She does not live in a city. Repeat. She does not live in a city. They live in a city. Repeat. They live in a city. They do not live in a village. Repeat. They do not live in a village. Here is a new pattern. I love my village. Repeat. I love my village. I also love the city. I also love the city. You love the city. Repeat. You love the city. You also love the village. Repeat. You also love the village. We love the village. Repeat. We love the village. We also love the city. Repeat. We also love the city. He loves the city. Repeat. He loves the city. He also loves the village. He also loves the village. She loves the village. Repeat. She loves the village. She also loves the city. Repeat. She also loves the city. They love the city. Repeat. They love the city. They also love the village. They also love the village. That is all for today's lesson. Now combine the sentences like this. I am Samir. I live in a small village. I love my village. So you have three sentences of the same person, same description. Like that, you prepare sentences which are three or four related to the same person whom we have been introduced to. Tara is there, Atul is there, Devi is there. Prepare sentences for all of them. Use nouns and pronouns. Practice many times. Even if you are fluent in English, look at each word, each pattern of sentence and correct your English. Beginners only learn by repetition. Thank you and all the best.